R12.
Is it ever gonna stop raining?
R12, we got 2 big tankers.
All right, in detail, what are you doing to this car?
Making it work again. Power steering pump.
Pump
The
sensor, actuator, motor, simulator.
Yeah, check engine light.
And it's going into
Only in a
this
Dodge.
2000 Dodge. Can you see it, or is it like somewhere you have to really reach down?
It's right here.
History of what they want you to know. Because
Doing 2 fuel sending units, right?
Yep. They are now in. So, we're in the process of hooking it all up. All the fuel lines and all the electrical lines, so that we can go ahead and finish this job.
Alright, so check this out. So this pipe is all dirty, but it's chrome. And we don't really want to damage it with, like, you know, something that we shouldn't be putting on it. So this is like watered down purple power. Just watch how good this stuff is. Spray it on there, kind of let it sit for a second, and then when you wipe it off, it literally looks perfect. Look at that. It looks like the day you bought it. It's not bad, right? I dig it.
So that whole assembly has to come off, right, for the strut coming up. Oh, they got that one out.
Let's get it out. Force.
All right, so now the new strut's going in. We have to get this down enough so that this can fit into there.
Press now.
Right? All right, new strut is in. Just gotta button everything up. We're good to go.
See it, but here's a broken control arm. That's it.
Yeah.
Well, the piece broke off here of metal where this bolts through.
The sway bar end link, the metal where it bolts to the actual, I guess, control arm, you know, it's made so crummy that it just rotted right off. It wasn't really thick to begin with. So I cut a piece of this 1/4-inch plate and I drilled a hole, cut off the rot, and what I'm gonna do is put the new end link on and bring this in like that, line it all up, run a nice bead of weld on it, call it a day.
Doing some building maintenance, spraying all this weed killer. Get rid of all these weeds. At least looks a little bit nicer back here.
The door is filled with water. I've been busting up concrete.
Amazing how they design these things.
Like, it was a recall too.
So the lot we got here is in pretty bad shape. These are all stains, oil stains that we're gonna take care of. What we're gonna do is resurface the lot. All right, man. It's the end of the day. Long day's work, huh?